Now we have all 4 out in order, and to test we go positive here and then negative there, so we can clearly see number 4 is bad. This is number 3, 0.07, 0.06, so that's okay, but maybe a little bit weak. Number 2 is also dead. And finally number 1. Oh, yeah, not quite as dead as the other one maybe, but certainly not where it's meant to be. 57.3 ohms, that's a lot of resistance. It's not good. So this definitely explains our poor starting issues. Now then, here we have 4 new ones. Same model, cost me a total of 48 euros, including delivery, so really not a lot of money. And as you can see, they're very similar. Slightly different design on the probe, but really not much. The resistance of a good one, a new one, is 0.08. So there you go. Now I'm going to fit these, and we'll attempt to start it again. start. That's what I'm talking about. So, as you can see from that video, bad starting, especially when it's very cold out, is quite often due to dodgy glow plugs. In this case, 2 were completely dead. 1 had over 50 ohms of resistance, which is basically it wasn't working in the slightest, and very close to it on its way out. And only cylinder number 4 actually had the correct resistance. I also checked, of course, to make sure that the relay was working and that each glow plug was getting 11.5 volts going to it, which they all 4 were. And now that I've replaced it, the car starts, well, van starts like a dream. Just wait for the glow plugs to do their thing, and first revolution. Absolutely amazing. Also, there is no more white smoke, which is generally a sign of unburnt diesel fuel. And on the whole, this vehicle is now going to run much better all year round.